First thing, you're gonna make sure that you have PUBG installed on your phone, and if I tap on the game variant, I pretty much will need to select whichever PUBG version I have installed on my device. So whether it be the global version, light version, do make sure you select the correct one. So once you have selected the correct one, now you can go ahead and apply your settings. So make sure you clear the app in the background. You can also go in the resolution here, select whichever resolution you want based on your device. We're going to lower the resolution. That would be recommended. If you have a low-end device, I don't recommend using the 2K graphics on a low-end device. So if you're going to lower the graphics, then you're going to select the lower option. You want the graphics here, super smooth, super HD. You can select whichever one you want. I'm going to select the super smooth option here. You can choose the style, realistic, any one of those. Here you have the frames per second, and here you can increase it if you want to 50 frames per second, 90 frames per second. You can make the shutter here, and also this down here. So once you have pretty much set up the features that you want, all you have to do is just tap on apply. Once you tap on apply, you should be fine. If you want to make sure that it does apply to your game, you should tap on force apply. So once you have done that, you'll be pretty much good to go. Go ahead and open the application and then let me know in the comment section. So if I missed anything at all with this application, comment below. I'll see you in the next one. If you do want a subscription or whatever, where you can get the best settings for a low-end device, do make sure to tap on the lock icon here and get the plus version. It will automatically give you the best settings for a low-end device. Yep. So make sure to comment below and let me know if this worked for you. Stay tuned for more.